Good God, what are you doing? Panine, have you no fear? Have you seen my beloved? Why have you come back here?
Took the letter like you said. I met her father at the door. He said he would give it. I don't think I can stand anymore.
Eponine, what's wrong? There's something wet upon your hair. Eponine, you're hurt, you need some help. Oh God, it's everywhere.
Don't you fret, Monsieur Marius. I don't feel any pain. A little fall of rain can hardly hurt me now. You're here, that's all I need to know. And you will keep me safe, and you will keep me close, and rain will make the flowers grow.
But you will live, Panine, dear God above. If I could close your wounds with words of love.
Just hold me now and let it be. Shelter me, comfort me.
You would live 100 years if I could show you how. I won't desert you now.
The rain can't hurt me now. This rain will wash away what's past, and you will keep me safe, and you will keep me close. I'll sleep in your embrace at last. The rain that brings you here is heaven blessed. The skies begin to clear and I'm at rest. A breath away from where you are, I've come home from so far. So don't you fret, Monsieur Marius. I don't feel any pain. A little fall of rain can hardly hurt me now.
I'm here.
That's all I need to know. And you will keep me safe, and you will keep me close, and rain will make the flowers
She is the first to fall, the first of us to fall upon this barricade.
Her name was Eponine. Her life was cold and dark, yet she was unafraid.
We fight here in her name. She will not die in vain. She will not be betrayed. Here comes a man in uniform. What brings you to this place? I come here as a volunteer. Approach and show your face.
You wear an army uniform.
That's why they let me through. You've got some years behind you, sir. There's much that I can do. You see that prisoner over there? A volunteer like you. A spy who calls himself Javert. He's going to get it too. They're getting ready to attack. Take this and use it well. But if you shoot us in the back, you'll never live to tell.
Platoon of sappers advancing towards the barricade!
Troops behind them, 50 men or more!
How they turn and run.
And so the war was won.
They will be back again, make an attack again. For your presence of mind, for the deed you have done, I will thank you, monsieur, when a battle is won.
Give me no thanks, monsieur. There's something you can do.
If it is in my power.
Give me the spy, Javert. Let me take care of him.
The law is inside out. The world is upside down.
Do what you have to do. The man belongs to you. The enemy may be regrouping. Hold yourselves in readiness. Come, my friends, back to your positions. The night is falling fast.
We meet again.
You've hungered for this all your life. Take your revenge. How right you should kill with a knife.
You talk too much. Your life is safe in my hands.
Don't understand.
Get out of here.
Valjean, take care, I'm warning you.
Clear out of here.
Once a thief, forever a thief. What you want, you always steal. You would trade your life for mine. Yes, Valjean, you want a deal. Shoot me now, for all I care. If you let me go, beware. You'll still answer to Javert.
You are wrong, and always have been wrong. I'm a man, no worse than any man. You are free, and there are no conditions, no bargains or petitions. There's nothing that I blame you for. You've done your duty, nothing more. If I come out of this alive, you'll find me at number 55, Rue Plumet. No doubt our paths will cross again. Go!
Courfeyrac, you take the watch. They won't attack until it's light. Everybody keep the faith. For certain as the eagle flies, we are not alone. The people too must